So I've already used a heat protectant. This is the Bblunt curl defining leave-in cream. So this is does include heat for heat protection. It does include that. So I've already used this on my hair, and the straightener I'm going to use is this. This is the Roots Professional Hair Straightener, and some of these crocodile clips. So I'm just going to first. So I just like to do it like, I just want like really big waves. So I just take like bigger sections of hair. So I'll just divide this into two, and I'm just going to clip this away. I'll just take this section first. The temperature on my straightener I've put to 190. So taking a bigger section, so I want the curl to go upwards. So I'm going to take it like this, and like this. I'm going to flip the hair here, take it round like this, and just bring it down. So this is how it's become. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this for the entire head. Straightening my so curling my hair with a straightener is like my favorite way of curls than using a hair curler like a Tom. So I like the way how the straightener looks. The curls with a straightener. So I'll just fast forward. I don't want to bore you with this entire process. So I've completed like 90%, so only this section is left here. So I'll just go ahead and do this as well. I'll just show you how the hair looks. So I just like to just scrunch it like this, and just I also like to apply like a serum, which I've not done right now, but I usually do apply like a serum. So that's it. This is how I like to get these really nice bouncy curls with a hair straightener. So I hope you like the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my videos. Bye bye.